Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Gina Sykes. So today guys, I'm going to unbox my ring, another ring that's added to my gold collection. So I'm gonna show you um, my 21 carats Saudi gold ring. So this is from a trusted seller online. Her name is Maria Wilcox. Maria Leonora Wilcox. So, okay, so I'm gonna show you. I'm going to unbox this one, guys. Okay, hold on. Then, so this is the ring that I bought from Miss Madame Maria Wilcox. I'm gonna show it to you, okay? It comes with a Kit Kat chocolate. Thank you, sis Maria. Oh, there's another Kit Kat. There's another Kit Kat. And here it is. Dang, 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 dang. Oh. Oh, nakabalot siya. Oh my God. Oh, it's big. So, here is the ring. Are you ready? Ta-dang! So this is the ring, guys. It's 21 karat Saudi gold, 3.6 grams. So this will be um my new 21 carats gold. Okay, hold on. Oh, oh my God, it's like a power ring. Look at how pretty it is. It's nice. Alright, so thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.